What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 1st of August, heading into the second month or so of summer. The end of summer, in my opinion. I think summer pretty much starts in July and ends in August. June and September are very nice months as well, but I consider summer to be July and August. We're taking a look at Xrp today. Man, we got some volatility overnight. Things are getting a little dicey here, and we're going to talk about it. We're going to look at the Xrp chart, the Bitcoin chart, over at Twitter as well. Let's start this video off over at Bitcoin, guys. Welcome to the channel. So Bitcoin getting another drop overnight, putting in another lower low. We undercut the low that was, let me get the correct arrow tool here. We undercut this low last night, which was the 24th of July, 28,850. We put in a low so far on the day, 28,477. So talked about in yesterday's Xrp video that there's potentially a chance that this was basically a small rising wedge. My concern was it breaks to the downside. Well, small rising wedge broke to the downside. We didn't get all the way down to 28,249.67. Doesn't mean we won't, though. Today's low is 28,477.0. This high over here is 28,473.93. So it's just about there. You can see that that line connects that top and today's bottom. So we'll see. This dip got bought up pretty quick, or something along those lines. Support came in and moved the price higher. But of course, across the board, we saw all of the cryptocurrencies, for the most part, fall overnight. So we'll see. I mean, that could be a nice little bottom for a while. Let's head over to Xrp. So quick recap here is we have two levels. We have 28,249.67 is still below Bitcoin, and then resistance now will be 29,143.22. BTC, we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially that was 5 for what it's worth. Keep that in mind. XRP, guys, currently trading at 69,100.69,100. I want to thank all of the new subscribers and all of my current subscribers and viewers. Appreciate you guys. Links are always down in the video description. If you use those links, it does help support the channel. Do appreciate it. Thank you. XRP putting in new lows overnight, guys. We undercut the low. Let's zoom in on this chart so it's easier for everybody to see on all device sizes. We did undercut the low right here, which was the 25th of July. That low was 6,740. Today's low was 670.14. So we did put in a new low, something of concern. This thing found support once again at 68,260. That's this yellow line on the chart. This has been solid support. 68,260 is solid support for XRP. Here's one time on the 14th. Here's 2 times on the 24th. 3 times on the 25th, 4 on the 30th, 5 on the 31st, and then so far today, 6 times on August 1st. Heading over to a smaller time frame, guys, 3-minute. You can see the 3-minute time frame. Check out the support at 68,260. Look at how perfectly those levels were hit. Market closed above it, came back to it, and have continued to move higher. 69,374 next level to keep your eye on if we break above that, or does it push the price back down as resistance? I don't think XRP is in too much trouble just yet, but it is starting to lean that way. If this thing starts to drift lower, it's going to be interesting to see what happens. I almost put out last night, I don't remember if I talked about it in yesterday's XRP video, but I almost put out last night in the community section that there's something big coming for the market. Be careful. And we started to see a little bit of that overnight. So far, it got bought up. So, hey, maybe that'll be the end. But I was expecting some volatility to come in, and it was not to the upside. Something a little sketchy, in my opinion, I think was coming. And maybe we just saw a little bit of that overnight. Time will tell. We still did not undercut this low for XRP, which was on the 14th of July, 66735. Give me 1 second, guys, as I drink some coffee here. So that is good to see that so far, that low is holding. For what it's worth, we have basically a 1, 2, 3, call it 4, 5. It's not perfect, but basically that would be the 5th leg here. We'll see. These highs are higher than the 14th, so it's not perfect, but we'll see if, that holds, that this 5th leg here holds, or does it get pushed back down. 65,700, 65,160 is next support. These two pink lines right here, if the price does not hold, today's lows do not hold, that would put us in a new major low. That would take us below this low here on the 14th, and that would be a thing of concern. Doesn't mean the price will continue to drop all the way down here to the 55, 56 cent range, but it does increase the odds quite a bit. If you could think of a scale with 0 being in the middle, and then we start to go left, negative, and we start to go right, positive. This thing is starting to lean to the right, as in it's starting to favor a more bearish scenario here. And it's a thing of concern. It doesn't mean the price is never going to go back up again, but as this thing starts to test the waters here and put in new lows, it increases the odds on the scale that we could see a very, very nasty volatile move back down to 55 to 56. But so far today, and that's all that kind of matters right now, it's all we have is right now, today, is yes, we did undercut this low on the 25th, but it's getting bought up. Once again, the 6th time here, we have support at 68,260. It's a very important level. Keep your eye on it. If that fails and doesn't hold, we're heading down into the mid 60s. 65 is the next level right here. So if it does take place and we look back, 55 to 56 cents, a back test, which is all the way down here, guys, which was this breakout zone. If that does get back tested, and the odds are increasing right now, unfortunately, but hey, it is what it is. If that does get back tested and then we look back in the future, it'd be very normal. It would be very normal. It'd be unfortunate because it would basically wipe out most of this breakout, but it would give you another opportunity to buy. It would probably shake some people out. People would throw the towel in and so on. So keep that in mind. But so far we have very nice support at 68,260. That is good to see. XRP is looking a little bit juicy right now. I do want to buy some more, but I haven't made that decision just yet. 68,260 might not be a bad level, but who knows if it will hold. But this is the 6th day so far that it has held. Major levels to the upside to get above for XRP are 82,485 and then up there at 94,770. That's this resistance level right here. And then we have the high of the move. Buy the rumor, sell the news, and you would have been in great profits. And the market is way down from where that 94 level is, sitting down here at 69,018. But those are the two key levels right now, is 82,485 and then 94,770. So we'll see. Hey, it would be great if XRP closed up in the green today. Pretty sick of seeing the red. I don't know about you. So that's my thoughts on the short-term XRP right now. My year-end target, according to some volatility, but I had to use some Bitcoin volatility to get those numbers and then carry the numbers over. Not perfect, but it does line up with a Fibonacci level. So year-end target, and we'd be lucky to get there at this rate, is $1.64 for XRP. Very conservative, very low, but if the markets continue to do what they're doing and go sideways and not really go higher, I'd be surprised if we even got up that high. But $1.64 for the end of the year. Hey, hopefully I'm off by many, many digits and the price is much, much higher. But anyways, $1.64. Head over and watch yesterday's video for more in-depth talk about that. And then my year-end Bitcoin BTC would be up there at 38,601.89. So if Bitcoin starts to rally here, maybe this fifth leg down is the end, right into support, not quite down to 28,249.67. Maybe we start to rally from here and head up to that 38,601 level. And if that took place, you can almost guarantee, but not, that XRP should rally very, very well and get up to that level. I don't think it'll get up there without Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin rallies, there's a good chance we could get up to that. And hey, maybe even higher. Let's head over to Twitter real quick, guys. Shannon Thorpe, if you have not heard about this yet, I will give a quick summary here. So she came out with a XRP price target. So if we scroll down here, I am not going to read the whole thing, but I will leave a link down in the video description for this post so you can read it. Now, the part you all have been waiting for, my price prediction is anywhere from $100 to $500 near short term, 4 to 7 months. Why? It all boils down to LS. If XRP is $100 at a supply of, say, only 50 billion, that makes an LS of 5 trillion. And at $500, that gives us an LS of 25 trillion. This gives the market room to breathe, allows for growth, and ensures no one company needs to own billions of XRP to perform day-to-day operations. Now, how and when will this happen? How and when, for me, are tied together. It has always been what the creators have stated, a flip of the switch. I say this as I believe there will / has been an evaluation for XRP like gold. This is how they will price you out. This is what I believe Rosie Rios meant when she stated the train has left the station, and this is how the governments control the next world of finance. Guys, interesting. She popped out of nowhere, this Shannon Thorpe, and she put her reputation, her name on the line here. Of course, you're allowed to say anything you want, which is great when it doesn't get censored. $100 to $500 XRP price prediction. Wow, that's insane. 4 to 7 months, too. You realize that is not that far away when this lawsuit took 2.5 years? 4 to 7 months, she thinks XRP on a flip of the switch could be $100 to $500. My price target for the end of the year is $1.60 and change. So, like I said, I hope I am completely wrong by many digits, and someone like Shannon is much, much closer than I am. $100 to $500 for XRP. Shannon Thorpe. I will leave a link down in the video description. XRP is currently down 1.05%, trading at 68 cents right now. Have we bottomed? Is the price ready to finally start to move to the upside? Got to take out some highs here. Got to break this level right here, this 30th of July. Got to break that 73,500 level, and that could really take us up to, we have the low, the move up, the undercut, and then boom, maybe we get that bull leg to the upside. So we got a little double bottom here, and the correct way for a double bottom to work is to the undercut the low to the left, which we did today. So hey, maybe we could get a rally here, put in some new highs on our way up there to that 82-cent level, or as Shannon Thorpe thinks, $100 to $500 XRP. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. All links down in the video description. Will XRP hit those ridiculous levels? We'll see. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right, guys, take care.